Hola chicos, hoy es lunes, el 11 de octubre, and I would like to walk you through the 4 different contextos vocabulary tutorials that you have due tomorrow on Tuesday the 12th. So you're going to be doing tutorials 1, 2, 4, and 5. And in order to do that, if you are at home, you're going to need to print this vocabulary list here. If you are in class, then you have picked this up because you've finished your test. You might use it to complete the 4 different tutorials that we have due tomorrow. The first part of this tutorial is simply you listening and repeating the new vocabulary words. You have the vocab list in front of you, or you could go back to the textbook pages here. You can control how quickly you want it to go. So if you want to go quickly, you'd hit fast. You could go slow if you know you want to go slow, or default is kind of in between. So when you see these words pop up, you're going to listen and then repeat them. You're going to see these little symbols. This equal sign that's in green, that means the word is a cognate. That means it shares a similar spelling and has the same meaning in both English and Spanish. When you see this one, it is a false cognate. That means words are similar in spelling, so they look like something in English, but they are not the same thing. For example, the word embarazada, E-M-B-A-R-A-Z-A-D-A, it looks like embarrassed. It means pregnant. That is a false cognate. You don't want to get those mixed up. If you want to control when you go from word to word, you would click here on manual mode. You're going to start this activity.
La profesora.
You repeat it. La profesora.
El profesor.
El profesor.
El estudiante.
El estudiante.
La
That's how you
estudiante.
would that's how you complete the first part. Next part will be the matching. And our last one was el mapa. We know that that is a cognate. It looks the same, sounds the same, has the same meaning. As you can see, we've done 17 out of 17. Next, we have the matching. So in this section, you're going to match the word that you hear with the correct picture. And it'll look something like this.
La profesora.
La profesora. And you would pick the picture of la profesora.
El profesor.
Which one is el profesor? And that's how you would complete
El
that one. You do
estudiante.
all 17 and then we move on to the other section. And we're on the last one. El mapa is a map. And then the next activity comes up, and that's where you need to say it. Okay, and remember, you can control the speed. You're going to say the word that represents the picture. You need to click here on speech recognition. And if you want to control when to go on to the next one, you click here. Make sure speech recognition is on. So I'm looking for this word. Okay, oh, that's a teacher. So I know it's la profesora. You click on speak. La profesora. And it says, good job, that's the correct word. So if you don't want to do this and you're looking at this and you're like, yeah, whatever, this is a stupid activity, blah, 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 blah. Yep, nope, that's not the word I'm looking for. I'm looking for el estudiante. I am going to check and see how long you were on these activities and whether you got them correct. Okay, so make sure you're saying the right word. When you are done, then you will be finished with that activity and you go on and do the next tutorial. Remember, there are 4 of these tutorials that you are doing. I have assigned to you tutorial 1, 2, 4, and 5. So that's what you need to do after your test due tomorrow. Thank you.